Alright, what's up everybody? This is Mr. Land here with another quick video for you guys. Hopefully y'all are having a really good day today. And hopefully this will save us a little bit of time, not having to spend in a meeting or something. You can just watch this video, refer back to it whenever you need it. So hopefully you see on your screen right now, this is my Microsoft Teams. Obviously you're not going to have this many teams in your Microsoft Teams, but one team that you should have in there is this 22-23 UAFA middle school faculty team. Now, what I want to show you guys today, and I just want to remind you about some of the resources that you have in there, and also show you a brand new resource that's just been added. And so I'm going to go ahead and click on our faculty team, and we see right in the General tab right now. So don't forget, you have several really important tabs right in here. One, we have our lesson plans, which are going to be right in the assignments tab. I'm actually going to click out of that because it's not going to show the same thing for me as it shows for you. But just remember to click on your assignments, and that's where your lesson plans will be. And then make sure you submit those through that tab and not post them just here in the general tab. I mean, I can see we got some lesson plans here, which is fine, but just in the future, just for easy use, make sure we submit them in that assignments tab. And then there's some other really important things up here as well. So what we're going to have, we see files up here. There's not a whole bunch of stuff in there right now, but I'm about to be adding a really important some SST documentation files in there. So that's where those are going to be located. So make sure that you are aware of that. Whenever I send out that information, that's where those are going to be, and you can find those there if you need to do something for the SST process or something like that. That's going to be right there in that files tab. If you have anything that you refer to a lot that you would like to be there, let me know. I can add it to that tab. And then we also have our behavior referral tab. We have our maintenance and facilities request tab. If you have something in your room that needs to be done, you can submit a request right there. We also, don't forget, have our UAFA grade check. Now, I think the only person who's actually put their team names in there right now is Miss Marsh for the dance team. So if you're a coach, or if you have something, you're part of doing the production or whatever it may be, so make sure as soon as we have our teams set, we're able to put our folks in there so that we can do our grade checks on that. And just whenever Dr. Strong or whenever our coaches or our teachers, whoever needs it, just make sure we remind our core teachers whenever they need to be submitting those grade checks. They can log in, find their name, do their grade check and their behavior check, and that would be great. And then a couple of other things, if you need some help from me, again, obviously that's there. And then the last thing, this has just been added today. We're fortunate to have a wonderful new counselor, Ms. Jones, at our school, and she has helped me to come up with a counseling referral form, and this referral is just going to go directly to her. And so if you click on that tab there in the team, if you click on more up here, it'll be in there. You click on counseling referral, and it's going to pop right up. Again, you don't have to follow any of the links. It's all right here in your team. Easy to find, easy to use. And so you're just going to come right there. You're going to just input the information. And this is I'm going to let her explain when you might want to do that. But if you feel like there's a counseling referral that needs to be made, then you can just click right on your team and make that counseling referral to her, and it should be really easy for you guys to use. So hopefully this is a quick and painless way for us to get some processes in place. So please use your team. The more we use them and the more we respond to those things, the better and more efficient we're going to run. So thank you guys so much for watching this. If you have any questions, please feel free to send me an email, shoot me a text message, whatever you need. I'm happy to help you out. Thank you guys.